Hello and welcome back to Healthy Holistic Cooking with your coach, Natasha. So today I want to get us started with our summer wellness kickoff in the month of July, and I want to talk about seasonal fruits and vegetables. And today we're going to kick it off with berries. So let's go ahead and get started. So berries are nature's little powerhouse, offering us a plethora of nutrients to promote and help us with our overall health and well-being. Berries are really great for snacking. They're really easy and they're colorful. And remember, we want to nourish our bodies with color. Berries also are a great antioxidant powerhouse. So antioxidants help to protect us against invaders or any pathogens or anything that's trying from the outside to come inside. So antioxidants we want to have a plethora of, and berries have high amounts of antioxidants. So remember, antioxidants help to protect us against invaders, any pathogens, any of those chemical things that are in our food. So the more berries that we eat, the better we are in our system in protecting that. Berries also have an enormous amount of vitamins and minerals. And remember, in our bodies, we need certain amounts of vitamins and minerals to sustain life and to help us with our vitality. So, and they're also high in vitamin C. Vitamin C helps with our skin. Vitamin C helps with our hair, and also vitamin C helps to heal wounds faster. So berries are high in vitamin C, and vitamin C is also very helpful when it comes to stress and that fight or flight. So we want to go ahead and eat berries to give us that vitamin C that we need as well. Berries are also really good for digestive health, and they have an enormous amount of fiber. So we need fiber to help us with our digestive health. Fiber helps us to feel fuller longer, yes, but it also aids in removing waste that our body may have accumulated from different types of food, different types of weather, and the environment as well. So we want to eat berries because they're rich in fiber. Fiber is also going to help us with regulating our blood sugar and help us to keep our gut happy. So eating good berries will help balance the blood sugar. For women and families, we can eat berries all day because it'll help to lower, they're very helpful in the low glycemic index. Berries are also a wonderful fruit for those who are trying to really manage their blood sugar. They are on the low glycemic index. They have loads of fiber, and they help you to release a steady state of energy without causing spikes in your blood sugar. So berries are a great choice for snacking. Also, if you're feeling you're having a little bit of hunger cues, but you're not sure what to eat, have some berries, because now is the season to have berries. They're also really good in phytonutrients. So phytonutrients are natural compounds found in plants. And think of vegetables and fruits, those are plants. So they help us to, with our health benefits, they help to reduce inflammation. They also improve brain health. And they also have shown to have a lower risk of chronic diseases, as in heart disease and certain cancers. Berries are another great fruit as well for hydrating. So remember, we're in the heat. We're in the summer months now, so things are going to get hotter. So you want to make sure you are hydrated and staying hydrated. And berries are another good source. So you can just have handfuls of berries. You can even add berries to your water. Go ahead and add a little bit of herbs to it as well too. Some of the things I like to infuse in my water are going to be blackberries with mint, or maybe some sage as well. But they have enough of the vitamins and nutrients to help us stay hydrated. They have a very high water content also, so berries are great for the summer months when it comes to hydration. And that brings us to the ends of today's topic on berries, our seasonal fruit choice for July. So go out there and grab your berries, get them from your farmer's market if you can, if you're local to them. Yes, organic fruits and vegetables are #1, but if you have a budget right now and you can't sustain that, go ahead and get fresh berries from your local farmer's market. And also you can even get frozen berries. They're going to have the same nutrient-dense content as fresh as well, and they have a longer shelf life, as you know, because they are frozen. But right now, the season of July, you want to go ahead and get to your local farmer's market and grab some berries.